Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off all app notification on Android. So I'm gonna show you two ways. First is you swipe down, and then on the upper right, you see that bell with the settings sign. So press that. Then you go to app notification, and you're gonna just toggle it off, all of the apps. The other way is you go back and you go to settings, just search on notifications. So here, app notifications, and you will just go again in notification. So just toggle it off, all of the apps. So that's it. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, just put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.